Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from Andro.com. This is Huawei's latest Huawei Y7P. This is a bit of a special smartphone for Huawei because this phone is the first Huawei HMS smartphone here in Sri Lanka. If you're wondering about what HMS is, then you should probably go ahead and watch my other video where I explain all about HMS and what you need to know. So I'll have a card for that right here as well as a link down below in the description. Anyway, without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. Let's go ahead and check out the Huawei Y7P and see if it is worth your money. At the front of the box, it mentions that this is the Y7P and you can see a smartphone with a punch hole display. On either side it says Huawei Y7P and at the top it has the Huawei logo, and at the bottom you can find all the specifications, IMEI number, color and all of that details. As you guys can see, this is a sealed box, so without wasting any more time, let me go ahead and open it up. Opening the box up, the first thing that we find inside is the Huawei Y7P itself sitting right there at the top. Let me keep that to the side and take this pouch which has the SIM ejection tool along with a TPU case that is included for free inside this box. We also get the charger here, and this charger is a micro USB charger and not a USB Type-C charger. Anyway, that's all for the contents inside the box. So now let's go ahead and get the phone. It's nicely inside this plastic wrapping, so let me quickly take it out and let me peel off the plastic at the back and turn this phone on for the very first time. I actually like this color at the back of this phone. It looks very colorful. Even though this phone has a major green tint to it, it's called the Aura Blue. A cool thing that I actually noticed on this is that even the sides of the phone has the color of this, so it looks pretty cool. I actually really like this color. The Y7P is also available in another color called Midnight Black if you're interested. Once the phone has turned on, we can see the punch hole display of this phone, and now I have to go ahead and set it up to start using it. Since this phone doesn't have the Google Play Store, it is actually recommended for you to go ahead and either sign in or sign up using your Huawei ID. Since this phone also has a fingerprint scanner at the back, I also went ahead and set up my fingerprint onto the device to try it out, and it worked pretty well. Now that we have got the phone out, let's go ahead and talk about the specs. I think the main thing for a lot of people will be the 6.39-inch punch hole display that Huawei is offering at this price point. The Huawei Y7P is sold for somewhere around 31,990 Sri Lankan rupees officially, but in some stores you can even find it for a cheaper price. Coming in at that price, I think this has to be one of the cheapest punch hole display smartphones that you can pick up right now. Not only the punch hole display, this phone also has a 48 megapixel triple AI camera setup at the back, and it has a large 4000 mAh battery. It also has a lot of software features that are packed into it. The only missing part here is the Google Play Store and all the Google services. But not to worry, because Huawei has got you covered with Huawei HMS, and I have a separate video on how to use HMS and how to get all your favorite applications on your HMS smartphone. So definitely go ahead and check out that video if you want to learn more about that. The link is down below in the description. Now talking about the camera setup, the main camera is a 48 megapixel camera, and then we have a 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and a 2 megapixel depth camera on this phone. Huawei's AI photography is also built into it, which can automatically identify 500 scenes and 21 categories in real time. So for this budget price point, it's nice that Huawei has got this in. For all of you who are interested in the camera performance, here are some camera samples for you to see the quality of this camera. Talking about the RAM, this has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, and you can even expand the storage up to 512GB. Huawei has used EMUI 9.1 on this smartphone, and it has all your favorite Huawei features built into it. For all the lovers of the 3.5mm headphone jack, you'll be pleased to hear that this phone still has a 3.5mm headphone jack. Talking about the processor, the Huawei Y7P comes packed with the Kirin 710F octa-core processor and the Mali G51MP4 GPU. Considering all the specs of this smartphone and the price that it's offered in, if you're looking for a budget smartphone, then this could be the one for you. Definitely go ahead and check it out. I'll have the link for you to pick one up down below in the description if you're interested. With all of that being said, now I would like to hear what you guys have to say about Huawei's latest Y series smartphone, the Huawei Y7P. Go ahead and drop a comment down below and share your thoughts. And if you found this video useful, definitely go ahead and share this video with all of your friends. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now for more awesome tech videos just like this one. If you have any other video suggestions featuring the Huawei Y7P, drop a comment and let me know, and I'll definitely make it happen for you guys. Follow me on social media. I am at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. And stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.